أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقل رب زدني علما. صدق الله العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you doing, everyone?
Alhamdulillah.
Inshallah, I would like to welcome you all to step-by-step Quranic learning program. Inshallah, today we will learn step-by-step Quranic learning program session 1 part 2, which is Huruf al-Tahajji. In Arabic we call mufradat, in English we call singular letters. We done first part, today we will do second part, and second part is basically I will show you how it's written in English and how it is written in Arabic, and both if you recite in English your pronunciation will be different, but if you recite the Arabic and pronunciation will be different. So we should focus on Arabic, not the English one. Should focus on Arabic alphabets and pronounce and pay attention on teacher when teacher teaching you, so then you can get the correct pronunciation. So I will recite, students, you repeat after me. Alif,
Alif,
ba,
ba,
ta,
ta,
tha,
tha,
jim,
jim,
ha,
ha,
kha,
kha,
dal,
dal,
dhal,
zal,
ra,
ra,
za,
za,
sin,
sin,
shin,
shin,
صاد,
صاد,
ضاد,
ضاد,
طاء,
طاء,
ظاء,
ظاء,
عين,
عين،
غين،
غين،
فاء،
فاء،
قاف،
قاف،
كاف،
كاف،
لام،
لام،
ميم،
ميم،
نون،
نون،
واو،
واو،
هاء،
هاء،
همزة،
همزة،
يا.
يا.
As we mentioned in the first lesson in alphabets that Alif and Hamza, these two letters we pronounce short and rest of letters are long. So if you pay attention in the class when teacher is teaching you, so you can pronounce it perfectly. So pay attention when teacher is teaching you and try to pronounce correctly. From its origin, from the place where letter should be pronounced, and only teacher can help you in that regard, because sometimes we learn so many rules and this and that, but we cannot pronounce until we practice with teacher. It is very necessary to practice with teacher. So do not recite the Arabic alphabets like in Urdu, like Alif, Be, Te, Se. Pronounce them like Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Because this is Arabic, we're learning Arabic, we have to pronounce in Arabic. So in Arabic we pronounce Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. In Urdu we pronounce Alif, Be, Te, Se. So remember that, inshallah ta'ala. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to learn the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as revealed to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and recited by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Jazakumullahu khairan Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.